Hey guys, it's Sandy Missouri from Balloon Utopia and Market with Balloons, and today I want to share a little tip with you. You guys ask me all the time, what do I use to inflate my balloons? And I use a variety of different compressors, different inflators, depending on what I need. But here's the main one that I use when I'm inflating 260s. So it is just a 2-gallon pump inflator that I got at the hardware store. So it's not made for balloons. You can inflate your tires with it. You can inflate all other things with it. It costs less than $100. And then I got an extra little piece also at the hardware store. And I think you can get them at any hardware store. So yeah, it doesn't have to. I mean, I think they have them like anywhere that they sell tools and stuff. Probably no matter what country you're in also, although the plug might be changed to be correct for your country. But anyways, so it's got a little 2-gallon tank. It is a little bit noisy. If you're using it at like a festival or a fair or somewhere where there's a lot of ambient noise, it's probably fine. If you're in a really quiet place though, it might be a little bit too noisy. You see, I just have the normal little nozzle on it on the gun piece, and it's not plugged in right now, so I'm just using the reserved air in the 2-gallon tank. And you can set the pressure to what you want it. I usually have my pressure at about 25, between 25 and 40. And it blows up the balloons really smoothly. So that's a 260 right there, and we'll try a 160 as well. And you'll see. See? So this is kind of my workhorse go-to, and I just, I mean, over the past 20-something years, I've probably gone through, I don't know, 4 or 5 of them, but they're so cheap, it's not a big deal, and they work great. So this is what I recommend for a simple compressor to inflate your non-round balloons. This does not do a great job if you want to inflate round balloons. To put the pressure up, it pretty much empties the tank instantly, it kind of overheats, but to blow up your 260s and 160s and 350s, this is great, and this is my go-to. So, there you go, a little tip and trick. Here is what I use to inflate my 260s. If you like that, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you share this video with everyone you know, make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, tell everyone you know to subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment. What other questions do you have? I do go through every single comment. I make notes of what you want to see, what you want to learn, what questions you have, and it very well might show up in a future video just like this one did. We made this one because you guys have been asking me. So there you go, and until next time, go forth and balloonify!